Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. IRDA recruitment is out and there are vacancies for all the streams, for legal, for IT and for general stream as well. We will be discussing the details of the notification in this video. This is the recruitment PDF. You can download this from the description below or from IRDA website. There are total 49 vacancies. And in these 49 vacancies, 5 posts each are there for actuarial, finance, law, IT and research stream, which are to be filled by candidates with professional qualifications as detailed later with horizontal reservation. You can fill the online application form till 20th of September. The exam dates are not out. Phase 1 online prelims exam is objective type. Date will be announced later. Age limit as on 20th September should be between 21 to 30 years of age. Then there is relaxation for various categories. Coming to education qualification, for actuarial, graduation with minimum 60% marks and 7 papers passed of IAI as per 2019 curriculum. For finance, 5 vacancies, graduation with minimum 60% marks. For law, 5 vacancies, bachelor degree in law with minimum 60% marks. For IT, 5 vacancies, bachelor degree in engineering, electrical, electronics, electronics communication, information technology, computer science, software engineering with minimum 60%, or masters in computer application with minimum 60%, or bachelors in any discipline with a postgraduate qualification of minimum 2 years in computer information technology with minimum 60%. Then there are 5 vacancies in research stream, master degree or 2 degrees postgraduate diploma in economics, econometrics, quantitative economics, all these details are there. Then for general stream, there are 24 vacancies, graduation with minimum 60% marks are required. Candidates may opt to apply either for actuarial accounts, legal, IT research as per their eligibility, as per their education qualifications. Separate online application for each stream will have to be submitted and requisite fees to be paid for each application. So you can apply for 2 streams. Apart from general, you can apply for 1 specialist stream. In case a candidate applies more than once in a single specialization, or applies for more than 2 specializations apart from general stream, only the latest application shall be considered valid and other applications shall be rejected. Then coming to selection process, phase 1 online prelims examination. This is a qualifying examination. In this you have 4 subjects. Phase 2 is descriptive examination comprising of 3 papers. Phase 3 is your interview. In phase 1 examination, you have QRE-GA. Each section has 40 questions of 40 marks. There is a composite time of 90 minutes. There is 1/4 negative marking present. The cutoff marks will be there for each test and overall cutoff will also be present. Then coming to phase 2 examination, there are 3 descriptive papers. Paper 1 is your English. Paper 2 is economic social issues impacting insurance. And paper 3 is insurance and management. Each paper is of 100 marks and each paper is of 1 hour duration. The descriptive question will appear on the screen and answers have to be written on answer sheets. Then there is phase 3, which is interview. The pay scale is also mentioned. There is a basic pay of 44,500. There are various other allowances, dearness allowance, house allowance, qualification allowance, city compensatory allowance. At present, initial monthly gross emoluments for assistant manager is approximately 1,46,000. Then the examination centers are also mentioned. So here you can see, even for the specialist streams, you have to study common areas. You have to study the topics. The paper will be common for all the streams. There is no specialized subject mentioned in the mains. The syllabus for phase 2 descriptive is given in the end. You can refer to the syllabus. Paper 1 will have essay, précis and comprehension and business office correspondence. Paper 2 economic social issues impacting insurance, इसका भी syllabus दिया हुआ है और insurance and management का भी syllabus दिया हुआ है. So you can refer to that. You can see whether you want to apply for this post or not. The last date is 20th of September. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.